Hi, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel a money transfer using the MTCN number in Western Union in 2026, step by step, and how to get your refund. Let's get started. First of all, I don't have an account in Western Union, and I tried many times to sign in, but for some reason I can't log in, even though I have the correct password. So I don't know what the reason is, but I'm gonna walk you through. So let's push through. First, when can you cancel a transfer? You can cancel your transfer only if the money has not been picked up or received yet. If the receiver already collected the money, cancellation is not possible. Step 1, find your MTCN number. So go ahead to send money internationally from Saudi Arabia, in my case, and I'm gonna see track a transfer button, hit it. If you are the sender, into the MTCN number. If you are the receiver, into the MTCN number, but in my case I'm the sender, right? So I need to enter the MTCN number so I can cancel it and check that transfer status. Okay, so your MTCN number or money transfer control number is unique tracking number found in your receipt or confirmation email, right? Sent by Western Union, right? You need this to cancel or track your transfer. Step 2, check transfer status. Before canceling, check status using Western Union. So enter your MTCN and status should be available for pickup or in progress. If it says completed, you can't cancel, right? Step 3, cancel online, which is, fastest. If you sent money online, log into Western Union, go to transfer history, right? And select your transaction and click cancel transfer. This is the easiest way. Step 4, cancel via customer support. If you don't see the cancel option, you can go ahead and contact Western Union support, right? So they can cancel it for you. So just open a new window, Western Union support, contact, right? You can use the number here locally, right? Or use the email westernunion.support@irsal.sa. That's my local email, but in your different location, they may have a different email, right? They will cancel it for you. Step 5, you can cancel at an agent location. If you send money in person, visit a Western Union agent, bring ID, receipt, request cancellation. Staff will process it, and once cancelled, you will receive confirmation. Transfer status changes to cancelled. Step 7, get your refund. Refund depends on payment method. If it's a card payment, refund it to your card. It takes 3 to 10 business days. If it's a bank transfer, refund it to your account. It may take a few days. If it's a cash payment, you can refund in cash at agent location. Fees may or may not be refunded depending on the case. Right? Step 8, track refund status. You can check your account, contact support if delayed. Always keep your receipts. So, common reasons for cancellation: wrong receiver name, sent to wrong country, change your mind, receiver unable to collect. So avoid waiting too long, sharing MTCN publicly, entering wrong details, assuming all fees are refundable. So just to rewind one last time, get MTCN, check status, cancel via Western Union, confirm cancellation, and receive refund depending on your method. So canceling a transfer using MTCN in Western Union in 2026 is actually simple, but timing is everything. As long as the money hasn't been picked up, you can cancel and get your refund with fees sometimes. So focus on acting quickly, using correct details, tracking your refund. That's how you avoid losing money, right? So just to rewind once again, don't wait too long. Share MTCN, don't share MTCN publicly. Maybe entering wrong details or assuming all fees are refundable. Don't expect that, right? So maybe you sent it to the wrong receiver, maybe sent it in the wrong country, changed your mind last second, receiver unable to collect. So in that case, you can receive a refund. If it's a car payment, it will be refunded to your card, and it takes 3 to 10 business days. If it's a bank transfer, it will be returned to your account. It may take a few days. If it's a cash payment, you can refund in cash at agent location, right? So if you don't know where Western Union can be close, you can just type Western Union location in your local district, right? And you can see which branch are open, right? So basically that's it. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Share this video with a friend. They might need it. They might send the wrong they might send, or they may send the wrong transaction in the wrong country. So send this video. See you next one.